Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Drax and we're giving you an update on a new Booth commercial center or plaza that's being built. Now straight ahead you can see the tractors and the trucks at work, and they've actually dug, I guess, a few feet down. I guess it's for the foundation. And then to the right, that is the Northern Coastal Highway, and beside the highway on the other side is the original Booth Plaza. That was the first one. It's built out and completely occupied. So they have decided that plaza did so well that they decided to build a second plaza over here. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. And both plazas will be connected via an overhead bridge. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening out here. And guys, let us know what you think of Drax and what's happening out here. And obviously this video was done after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. And this area didn't suffer much damage, nothing compared to what the western part of the island went through. Alright guys, enjoy the article. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has expressed strong support for a new $1.5 billion investment project in Drax St. Anne, describing it as a symbol of confidence in Jamaica's economic potential. The project, known as Booth 2, is being developed by the family-owned Booth Group of Companies and represents another major step in transforming St. Anne into one of the country's most vibrant commercial centers. The four-story complex, covering 68,819 square feet, will feature a wide range of modern facilities designed to enhance the local economy and create employment. Among its highlights are a supermarket, a Wendy's franchise, a cinema, fine dining restaurants, professional offices, and retail spaces. The development also includes underground parking and a pedestrian bridge connecting Booth 1 to Booth 2, ensuring convenient access and safety for customers and workers alike. In addition to the commercial space, the project will contribute to infrastructure improvements in the area. Construction of Booth 2 is expected to take approximately 18 months, during which hundreds of jobs will be created. The completed development is expected to generate long-term employment in retail, hospitality, and maintenance, while also attracting local and international businesses. Speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony, Prime Minister Holness praised the vision behind the project. He noted that developments like Booth 2 are perfectly aligned with the government's broader goals of economic expansion, job creation, and sustainable growth. The Prime Minister emphasized that such private sector investments play a crucial role in building modern infrastructure and supporting Jamaica's recovery and resilience. Dr. Holness also commended Wayne Booth, the owner and operator of the Booth service station, describing him as one of a growing class of emerging Jamaican entrepreneurs who are reshaping the nation's investment landscape. Their dedication, he said, demonstrates faith in Jamaica's future and contributes significantly to local and national development. Alright guys, we will keep you guys updated on this development and also the tunnel. Very interesting how they're going to build the tunnel under an active roadway, but we'll keep you guys updated and give you more information as it becomes available. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.